Problem 5 has two chords crossing on the inside. We have 130 degrees here. The angle JFI is 80 degrees, and it wants me to figure out what this arc down here is. Now again, when you have chords, which of course are on the inside, that's what a chord is, when we have them crossing, we realize the formula to find this angle here was simply 1/2 of this arc plus this arc down here across from it. See that hourglass? So we know that this angle JFI, was equal to 1/2 of this upper arc plus this lower arc. When they're on the inside, we add them. Arc GH plus arc JI. Now, it told us JFI was 80 degrees, so I got 80 degrees is equal to 1/2 GH, what tells me that's 130, plus here's my only unknown, JI. Now it's just, again, basic algebra here. Don't distribute the half through. I think it's just, you could, but I just find it easier. Let's get rid of it to begin with. Let's just multiply by 2. We can do that because you have 1/2 times this whole thing. So if you have 1/2 times the whole thing, you can come out here and multiply by 2 because it's all multiplication technique. 2 times 1/2 times this whole thing. If I multiply that side by 2, I got to multiply this side by 2. That gives me 160. So I know that 130 plus arc JI has to come out to be 160. Right away you can see 30. You can't get rid of the number by subtracting 130 like your Algebra 1 teacher taught you. 30 is equal to arc JI. So this right here has to be 30 degrees. I know it obviously doesn't look like it, but again, the math says that's what it has to be. Because this plus this is 160. 1/2 of 160 gives me the angle in here, which is 80 degrees. So our answer, 30 degrees for that arc JI.